This is Wildfire Preparedness Week. Fire officials and the governor are talking about how we all need to be prepared, and yet some people trying to get ready for fire season by buying fire insurance are finding they can't. It's because their carrier isn't offering it to them anymore. Or for some people, their fire insurance premiums are skyrocketing. If this is happening to you, you're not alone, and here's what you can do.
There's a lot of frustration, there's a lot of anxiety. People are they're worried about, can I get insurance?
Christopher Kirksick is an insurance agency owner in El Dorado Hills. He offers coverage to people all over the state and says this year more people than ever before are calling him panicked and nervous, saying the company that used to offer them fire insurance is no longer offering it or is sharply raising their premium.
It used to be, we'd have a wildfire once every 2 or 3 years. Then we had a wildfire season every year, and now the past 2 years we had the most devastating wildfires we have in the state's history back to back, and insurance companies are thinking that this is a trend, and so yeah, they have to build in the risk in the premium, so it's getting definitely much more expensive.
The California Department of Insurance says if this is happening to you, you should give them a call, 1-800-927-HELP. The first thing they can do is make sure everything was done properly. If your insurance company is not renewing your fire coverage, you're supposed to get a certain amount of notice. The second thing they can do is help you explore other options. There may be smaller or non-traditional insurance carriers that can provide you coverage. Finally, if there's no other avenue, fire coverage is available through something called the California Fair Plan. Established by the state more than 50 years ago, it does not use any public or taxpayer dollars, but it does offer fire coverage for people as a very last resort.
Definitely shop around. The Fair Plan gets a bad rap because the cost, but it's a very stable product. I always tell people to call independent brokers because they might have access to carriers that I don't have access to.
He says clearing trees and creating what's called defensible space around your house will not lower your premium, but it will bring you peace of mind and security in case a wildfire does ignite near your home.